What if I told you that Earth has a giant dent in its gravity? Not a hole you could fall into, not something you could see from space, but an enormous region where Earth's gravitational field is unusually low. It's located in the Indian Ocean, and scientists call it the Indian Ocean Geoid Low. But how can Earth have a gravitational dent? First, Earth isn't a perfectly smooth sphere, and gravity isn't exactly the same everywhere. Mountains, ocean trenches, differences in rock density, and enormous structures deep inside our planet all affect Earth's gravitational field. Scientists use satellite measurements to map these tiny variations. And when they calculate Earth's gravity-defined shape, known as the geoid, something strange appears south of India, a huge depression. In this region, the geoid is more than 100 meters lower than it would be in an idealized reference shape. But don't imagine a giant hole in the ocean. If you sailed across this region, you wouldn't suddenly travel downhill. The effect is spread across an enormous area and represents a difference in Earth's gravitational field. So what created it? The answer may begin more than 100 million years ago. Back then, India was located much farther south. Between India and Asia existed an ancient body of water called the Tethys Ocean. As India moved northward, parts of the ancient oceanic plate sank deep into Earth's mantle. Eventually, India collided with Asia, helping create the Himalayas. But the story didn't end there. Material associated with these ancient tectonic processes continued interacting with Earth's deep interior. Recent computer modeling has suggested that structures deep beneath the Indian Ocean may have produced rising areas of unusually hot, relatively low-density mantle material. And that's important, because gravity depends on how mass is distributed. If material deep inside Earth has a different density from the material surrounding it, the gravitational field above can be slightly different. Scientists think these deep mantle structures may help explain why the Indian Ocean Geoid Low exists today. In other words, something happening thousands of kilometers beneath the surface may be creating an invisible gravitational signature across a huge part of the ocean. But scientists are still investigating. We can't simply drill thousands of kilometers into Earth and see what's happening. The deepest holes humans have ever drilled barely scratch the planet's surface. Instead, scientists study seismic waves, satellite measurements, geological evidence, and computer simulations. These allow researchers to build a picture of Earth's hidden interior. And here's another fascinating part. This gravitational dent may not exist forever. Earth's mantle is constantly moving, although incredibly slowly. Over millions of years, material deep inside our planet shifts and changes. So Earth's gravitational landscape can change too. From the surface, the Indian Ocean looks completely normal. Ships sail across it, waves move across it, and you would never know anything unusual was happening. But satellites reveal something our eyes cannot see: a gigantic gravitational low, possibly connected to geological events that began more than 100 million years ago. So Earth doesn't literally have a hole in gravity, but it does have an enormous gravitational dent in the Indian Ocean, invisible from the surface, detectable from space, and possibly created by processes occurring deep inside our planet. Sometimes the strangest mysteries on Earth aren't hidden beneath the ocean floor. They're hidden thousands of kilometers deeper, inside Earth itself.